District Hospital Tamenglongda Senior Citizen Singi Numit Ahumgi Special Cataract Surgery Drive Chatakre. Special Cataract Surgery Drive adu 26 February dagi 28 February phau chataki. Came adu National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment District Social Welfare Officer Tamenglong amadi District Health Society Tamenglongna khusam duna chataki bani. Cataract surgical camp adu Medical Superintendent Dr. Francis Kamei na yengsin makhada chathakibani aduga local surgical team adu Dr. R. Rangla District Nodal Officer NPCB na luchingki aduga Jenims Imphal Expert Team Dr. Anthony Kamson amadi Dr. Jennifer Nene makoina surgical camp adu mateng pibiki. Special Cataract Surgical Camp adu mit naba miyoi nifu manga muk layengki madugi manungda miyoi kontra mathoina cataract diagnose tawbani miyoi nipana cataract complicated case oiki aduga patient anina cataract ka hepatitis B leiba oiki makhoi anibu protocol matung ina special care piduna layeng bikhi. Special Cataract Surgery Drive Chachadringai Mamangda Pre-Operative Screening Camp District Health Society Tamenglong amadi District Social Welfare Officer Tamenglongna Sinduna Primary Health Center Oinamlongda 19 February da Chataki 21 February dana Community Health Center Tamai da Chataki aduga 24 February da Primary Health Center Tausiam da Chataki. District ki block ahumda mid ki problem leiba ahan samanga henbabu eye screening tawraba matungda mid ki laina leibasing cataract surgery gi damak khandoki. Block ahum oinamlong tamai amadi tawsemda eye screening camp chatakiba aduda mid ki problem leiba singda spectacle samanga hena yenthoki. Block ahumdagi cataract surgery gi damak khandoklaba patient sing adubu to and fro transportation, food and accommodation piduna district hospital da cataract surgery adu chatakibani. Special Cataract Surgery Drive adu district headquarter dagi lapna leiba ahan oiraba mit laina leiba singbu amuk mit uhannaba site restoration surgery gi initiative adu pangthokibani. Special Cataract Surgery Drive ta operation taukiba miyoi singda post-operative care management amadi follow-up asi chatharaga laigani haina District Hospital Tamenglonggi Medical Superintendent Dr. Francis Daimaina phongdokhi. Senior Citizen Singi damak Special Cataract Surgery Drive chatakhiba gi maramda Medical Superintendent Tamenglong Dr. Francis na asomna haiki.
Screening tauraga magi routine examination blood test tauraga cataract surgery se Dr. Singh Chathari, which is assisted by surgical team led by from Jenims Dr. Anthony Kamson, Dr. Jennifer Nane and the special team aduga akoi district hospital da laiba medical team ga collaborate tauraga surgery se 31 public chathare adu sida amu cataract with related eye complicated cases adu so 8 cases thammi adu sigi laiba case manung sida amu hepatitis B positive cases yawi koi ngasi surgery se adum namna pangtho honajari.
Tamenglong Forest Division, Government of Manipur amadi Wildlife Institute of India ga khusamna duna Amul Falcon Tamenglong da akhoi puina natraga Tamon pui haina khangnaba uchek asibu research ki damang satellite transmitter tech tawduna tracking tawba thabak asi chathare. Hairiba satellite transmitter tagging adu November 8, 2025 ta Chilon Amul Falcon roasting site ta Wildlife Institute of India gi scientist team Tamenglong Forest Division officials aduga Chilon village volunteer singa Amul Falcon ahum ahu alang amadi apa apang haina mingthon pibiduna paihankhi. Satellite transmitter tech tawkhiba Amul Falcon ahum adu paihankhiba numit tara manungda Africa yokhi madugi matungda uchek sing aduna Africa continent ge countries singda paiduna lekhi. Hauzik latest report Dr. R. Suresh Kumar, Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun na February 27 da Manipur Amul Falcon Tracking Project Phase 2 report pitokhiba matung ina Amul Falcon ahum adu tekta kaidana active tori haiki hojik ahu haina ponkiba Amul Falcon adu Somalia da lei apa pangna Zimbabwe aduga alang aduna Botswana da leiri haina phongdokhi